Hello and welcome back to Norfolk Airguns. Down in the cave, cold one today. So, what are we doing today? Well, today we're going to look at another target. We're going to look at the Dragon from the Airgun Target company. So let's head into the intro and have a look. So, this is the Dragon from the Airgun Target company. As always, it's nicely built. So this is the 3mm, suitable for sub 12 foot guns. Does only come with the one kill zone, sadly in my opinion, because there's a lot more space. You could put a couple more on here, but it comes with a 15mm kill zone. Total height, I can tell you now. So from the top, which I'm going to say is up here, to the bottom of the feet, is it's 30 centimeters, and in total length, it is about there, 27 centimeters. 37 centimeters wide. As I said, it's the 3mm thick one. So, yeah, let's head to the table and see what else you get in the box. When you open your package of the target, obviously you'll get the target itself. Comes with 2 feet, the hook, a U-clip, and a gong, which is now on the floor. Building, it is quick, simple and easy. I'm just going to move around the side to make life a little bit easier. So you get your target, it says it's fine. You want to get your U-clip, with your hook, sorry. Look for that slot, doesn't matter which side, I'm going this way. And you poke that bit there, straight through until it comes out the back end. You get your U-clip. Now if I turn it this way, that gap at the bottom there, that's where that goes. So you just slide that in and that's ready to go. I'll grab your feet, stick your feet on, one foot, and then we'll grab the second one, 2 feet, spin it around for a second, get your gong, and then simply slide, and that's that done. Let's see where that turned round. Move the camera slightly so you can see. There we go. One target, ready to rock and roll. Let's get it sprayed up and we'll head out onto the garden range. Alright, so the Dragon is sprayed up and down range. I'm using the trusty Airgun S400, some JSP Exacts 844s. So let's take a couple of shots, shall we? Right down the middle. This gun is just too accurate. I've had it. Three. All in the bullseye, just where you want it. 4. I'll put the 5th one up by its eyes. You can see, be about there. It's got an eye now. One more for luck in the into the kill zone. Pow. So that. Safety on. You shoot at a target. And there we go. Shut up. Nothing's been changed, but you can see. If I turn the light on, will be a good idea. Where we go? Where's on? There's on. Ah, light's on the way out. But you can see. I'll take the gun off. 5 shots there, and a 6th shot went into the eye. So my opinion on the Dragon. It's a well-built target, as always, from the Airgun Target company. I do think they could have put a few more targets on here, rather than all that space for a little tiddy tiny 15mm. But it's fun. As always, it's well built and what not. But yeah, bar the easily fit a few more targets on there. Kill zones. It's a great little target. If you're interested in any of their targets, like some of these here, head over to their website and have a look. Get yourself one. I know it's free shipping to mainland UK. I'm not sure if they ship abroad because I don't live abroad. So yeah, that's that. That's the Dragon target from the Airgun Target company. Well, I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.